In this video, I'll be showing you how to do bunny rabbits, eggs, marzipan eggs, bonnets, also called as hats, simple eggs, and chicken in the basket. These Easter goodies are made of marzipan, and the link to the marzipan recipe is in the description box below. These are the plastic molds I'll be using today. They are easily available in the market during Easter, and these are the Easter egg molds too. You can also do the eggs without the mold. This is the plastic mold for the chicken in the basket. You also get like these types of Easter egg plastic molds. I'll be making the hat first. Take a ball of marzipan and knead it well and place it into the mold and press the marzipan firmly so you get the lines of the hat. Remove any excess so that you get a nice neat finish. Once this is done, just pull the marzipan little from the sides, a little bit. This will help to let it come out easily from the mold. Just tap it on a hard surface and it comes out easily. The shining thing is of the cashew, which I didn't get a good quality of cashew this time. Always choose the right good quality and you'll get good results for the marzipan. Making the Easter egg now. Just roll the marzipan round and then give it an oval shape. Let it look more like an egg. If you're not using a mold, you can just shape it this way and it looks good. To give it a more perfect looking egg, I use this mold. Just place it in and wriggle it from the side and remove it out and you get a good looking egg. Do the same on the other side as well. This way the egg looks more perfect. I'll be keeping all of them on the butter paper. To make the Easter bunny, I'll be taking the marzipan and rolling it to a very smooth ball so I don't get too much of crack lines on the bunny. And then I'll press it down. And with the help of a rolling pin, I'll just roll it a little more to the size of the mold. Roll the marzipan thick as the thickness of the mold. A little less will do, which will help to remove the marzipan out from the mold. Gently press the mold onto the marzipan and remove off the excess from the sides. You can also put the marzipan directly into the mold and then tap and remove it, but I feel this method is much better. I'm just cleaning the edges and then I'll be tapping it on a hard surface and it comes out easily this way. Without much effort, you get the bunny out of the mold. This bunny is a little bit difficult to make, but with practice, you can get it perfect. And it's a little bit more fragile and it usually breaks off from the neck. So place it carefully on the tray and then adjust the shape so it dries off exactly as you want it. Let's do the chicken in the basket. I'll use green marzipan for the basket and press it firmly into the plastic mold. And for the chick, I'll be using yellow marzipan. Soften the marzipan and put it into the cavity. You can spread the yellow marzipan over the green marzipan also. In this way, you get the whole chick along with the basket in one piece out from the mold without breaking. Press the marzipan firmly so you get all the lines of the design on the marzipan and then release the sides as we did earlier. This will help in removing the chick out of the mold. Next, flip the mold over and tap it 2-3 times and it will be out of the mold. I will let all these dry for 1-2 hours till they are properly set. Till then, let's make the royal icing. To remove the lumps from the icing sugar, I'll be sieving it. This is around 150 grams, though I will not be using all of it. This is half egg white, and to this I'll be using 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. You can also use any other flavoring of your choice. Keep whisking the egg white till it is nice and frothy. If you don't want to use egg white and want to have an eggless royal icing, you can use aquafaba too in place of egg white. The egg white is nice and frothy. Now I'll be adding the icing sugar little at a time. You can also purchase eggless royal icing mix, which is available in the shops and even online, and use it for decorating your Easter eggs. Keep adding the icing sugar and whisking it along with the egg white. You can also use this royal icing for making flowers on the Easter eggs if you do not want to make gum paste flowers. Slowly our royal icing is coming together. You can see it thickening. You need to add little more till you get the right consistency. The royal icing has to be stiff enough to hold the shape of the leaf. I'm going to use a spatula now to mix it further. Though this may look stiff enough, but I think I need a little more. I'll be adding little more icing sugar. It's still soft. A little more icing sugar will be enough. Mix it well again, and you'll have a really good stiff consistency royal icing. You can check the lines. If they don't dissolve back into the icing, it means it's ready and stiff enough. The icing is retaining its shape. It's well good enough. Going to get the piping bag ready. First I'll be filling some white royal icing. For that I'll put a bag into a glass. Add half the quantity of the white royal icing into the piping bag, and the other half I'll be coloring it to green for the leaves. Push the icing right inside the bag. Just twist it around and tie a knot so that our royal icing does not turn hard. Keep your royal icing always closed when not in use, as it tends to get hard quickly. To the other half of the royal icing, I'll be using green color, using leaf green from Magic Color. You can use any color, powder, liquid or gel colors. Mix it well and add it to the piping bag. You can use this royal icing for all your decorating needs, even for decorating cookies, cupcakes, cakes, and all your desserts. Our Easter goodies are nice and dry now. I'll be snipping off the tip of the icing bag and making small dots around the sides of the Easter egg. You can also use a star nozzle and make any design of your choice. Just with the fingertips, press those points down. You can also dip your finger in little water and those points will settle down. If you wish, you can make it even a more thicker border with double lines or bigger nozzle. I'm using gum paste flowers for all these decorations. I have made a separate video for this. I'll put the link down in the description box so you can refer to it. Doing a basic simple design for one Easter egg, just putting dots randomly so it covers the entire surface of the egg, and then be placing these blue gum paste flowers over it. Do not put too much royal icing or it would be seen through the flowers. Just a tiny dot would do, and place the flowers over it. This is a simple design. To make the leaves, just cut a V shape at the tip of the piping bag. If you're comfortable using leaf nozzle, you can use that for the leaves. I hope you can see the V shape which I've cut at the tip of the bag. Let's check out if the cut is perfect. Yes, it's fine. I'll be using the smaller flowers for the small egg. Just pipe a dot with the green icing and place the flower over it and press a bit and make the leaves. Press and pull back the piping bag. Squeeze slowly and pull back. Again, put another flower and put some leaves around it. Place the flowers in the empty space of the egg so it covers the egg and give it a full look. Keep adding leaves wherever you find empty spaces. Adding a tiny flower here and completing it with a tiny leaf. Adding 1-2 more leaves so that it looks like a spray. And our Easter egg is all decked up and looking so beautiful. Let's decorate the big egg. I'll be using the bigger flower. Use any color combination as you want. And please do watch the video where I have demonstrated how to make these beautiful flowers. I've also showed how to make leaves in case you don't want to pipe the leaves here. You can directly stick them with the royal icing. These leaves too are really easy to make. You just need a little practice. Just squeeze the bag and pull it out. The more you squeeze, the more bigger leaves you get. For tiny leaves, just press the nipple and pull the bag out. Just adding some flowers and some leaves to make it look like a spray of flower. You can use your own imagination and decorate your Easter egg the way you want. Wow, this too looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's keep making the other rest too. For the hat, just pipe a green line and add the gum paste flower which is made from a silicone mold. I've demonstrated that too in the video. This too looks so beautiful. For the next hat, pipe 3 dots and place 3 different color flowers over it. Make all these flowers well in advance so they dry up and you can use it well on your all Easter goodies. Piping some green leaves on the sides and filling wherever there is gap. Do let me know in the comments if you like this one too. Making the chick with the basket. I'll be decorating it in a similar manner. Adding those tiny flowers and some green leaves at the side. You can also add lines for those baskets. Do continue watching till the end. I still have to decorate the bunny. And also do watch the upcoming videos where I'll show you how to prepare an Easter gift hamper. So our chicken's looking good. I'll be making the eyes later. Let's decorate the bunny. Using the same piping bag, only using it in the vertical way and making some lines and placing some small tiny flowers. The eyes and the bow I'll be adding up later. Take a little bit of white royal icing and add a drop of black gel color. I'll be using this to make the eyes of the chick and the bunny. Remove the excess out from the stick. Dip the stick and just take a tiny bit of the royal icing and make the eyes. Just one tip. That's it. Do the same for the chicks too. Now adding the bow for the bunny. Just take little royal icing on a toothpick, or you can use an icing bag and place the gum paste tiny bows near the neck. Let the royal icing set and become firm and hard, and then you're ready to pack it. I hope you like this video, and do watch the upcoming video where I'll be showing how to make gift hampers from these, and also be showing a video on making chocolate Easter eggs, a hollow type. So stay tuned and do subscribe, like and share, which will help me in adding more beautiful videos to this channel. Do try them out and leave your comments below. I would love to hear from you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.